Hello, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be learning how to make your own organic apple cider vinegar at home. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. To make apple cider vinegar at home, you have to chop your apples, place them in a sterilized jar with water and sugar. Cover it up with a breathable cloth and let it ferment in a warm place. A dark place for 3 to 4 weeks, then strain and let it ferment again for another 2 weeks before bottling. Now here is the more detailed breakdown of how it is done. Please don't miss any step, keep following through to the end. Leave your comments in the comment section and I'll gladly reply to them. Now before the video ends, I'll give you 4 important tips that will ensure a successful fermentation process, successful apple cider vinegar making process. And again, I'll give you a summary of how to prepare your own organic apple cider vinegar before this video ends. Stay tuned. The second step is to prepare the apples. Now you wash the apples thoroughly and then you chop them into smaller pieces, removing the cores and seeds if desired. You can save these ones for another batch or you can toss them inside the compost bin. Potential benefits to humans: weight loss, improving blood sugar control, better heart health, antimicrobial properties, improved digestion, improved skin health, and has a lot of antioxidants. Fermentation stage 1. Now place the apple pieces in the sterilized jar and pour in the water and sugar, stirring until the sugar dissolves. After that, you cover the jar with a breathable cheesecloth and secure it with a rubber band, which is optional. Now you place the jar in a warm dark place like a pantry for about 3 to 4 weeks. You have to stir it occasionally, maybe every 1 week, every 3 days, to make sure that the apples are fully submerged in the mixture. So today marks exactly the 4th day after initiating our apple cider vinegar preparation process. So on the 4th day, we would like to open it and give it a nice stir and try as much as possible to submerge most of the apples under the water. So let's have a look. So we'll remove the weight, we'll remove all the apples will be stirred, trying as much as possible to push the fresh ones under the solution for equal fermentation and preventing the formation of molds and other unwanted bacteria on the preparation. So every 2-3 days you can open your vinegar and give it a stir. So on the 4th day, it has started smelling, it has started giving off this strong alcohol smell, and as you saw earlier, there was a lot of bubbles on the surface of the preparation, which signifies that there's been massive fermentation going on. So after giving it a nice stir, like I said earlier, you put on bring back the weight, which is used to use, then it helps in submerging apples effective fermentation. The cheesecloth will be used once again to cover it in a rubber band around it. So every 2-3 days you repeat this process till some time that you see fewer bubbles, signifying active fermentation process halted. Then move on to the next step. So that's it for the 4th day. This is the 8th day, and as usual, every 4 days we do open up our vinegar and we give it a nice stir. So let's do it. A lot of bubbles forming. As you can see, like I said in the previous day, this signifies a healthy fermentation process. So we'll be stirring it, trying to push those upwards down, and those which are already submerged to push these ones down, and those ones will come up. This helps in effective fermentation process of our vinegar. Even as I'm stirring it right now, I can sense the strong alcohol smell. It's very, very strong, very potent, very effective fermentation process ongoing. So back our glass with way, if not almost cheese cloth or any other nice and clean cloth that's readily available. That's it for today, and I'll be storing it in a cool dark place as usual. We are about to check our vinegar. Wow, it is ready, everything is submerged. Now we'll be taking it from this cool dark place and we'll be taking it out. It is ready for bottling. So after a month, this is how our apple cider vinegar is appearing. All the apples have been submerged, including the weight, and our apple cider vinegar homemade is ready. So what I'll be doing is, initially I used to buy Bragg's apple cider vinegar, my health and those of my livestock. So this time we decided to be doing our own instead of buying these expensive ones. So I'll be storing my apple cider vinegar in these already used bottles. So I'll take my funnel here and pour everything inside. Some people prefers using the cheesecloth to sieve everything, but I don't like it that way. I prefer having the sediments, the mother in my vinegar. So I don't like sieving it. I don't like removing all the solids. I want these tiny particles to be there. I like it that way. Preferably you can use your cheesecloth to filter it to get the finest apple cider vinegar you wish for. I like it this way. So as you can see, our homemade apple cider vinegar is ready. It can be done anywhere provided you have the willpower to do it. So these are the sediments. You can save this and add it to your next batch that you'll be doing, or you can squeeze it in a cheesecloth to get more liquid out of it. So be squeezing this is another way of getting most out of the apple. You squeeze and get the juice out of it. Store this one over here. Voila, our homemade apple cider vinegar is ready. So we go to 500 ml bottles of apple cider vinegar, which can be used. So as you can see, it's not that difficult. It's simple, it's easy, provided you make up your mind that you do it. So thanks for watching today's episode. Thanks for watching. Kindly share this video with other family and friends, like and subscribe to our channel. If anything, you have questions, contributions, you can link up with us in the comment section and we will gladly reply your comments. Thanks for watching. This has always been Mark Fans. Bye for now.